Your business needs a professional website to grow in today's market. Network Solutions has a team of expert writers and designers dedicated to helping our clients build effective, modern websites that make a big impression. Whether you need help with sleek visuals, site navigation, rotating banners, writing copy optimized for search engines, or don't have the time or know-how to build a new website, Network Solutions is here to support you. Let our in-house experts craft you a custom-built website complete with fresh, compelling, keyword-rich content, eye-catching visuals, mobile-friendly design, and all the functionality your business needs to engage your audience and achieve your goals. And best of all, with a Network Solutions website package, you get secure hosting, a free domain name with matching professional email address, private registration on your domain, access to the website builder, and live customer support so you never have to go it alone. Get a website designed with your business and your audience in mind. For an easy path to a modern, effective website for your business, pick Network Solutions, the world's first domain provider.